Hi Kushi, hi Junaid. We
Hello.
Cinepolis are beyond excited to have you here at Seasons Mall Pune as we all celebrate Love Yapa.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you.
But before we dive directly into the film, let's kick things off with a bit of fun. So we have 15 rapid fire questions which you have to answer in 10 seconds. This is just to understand you both a bit better.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
One at a
One
time
by
or
one
what is
or-
the
No,
deal?
no, no. I'll put on a question and you both have to answer.
Okay.
So
Okay.
first question and then Junaid, or first Junaid and then
Okay.
as you wish. Okay. So the first questions. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the word Love Yapa?
Siapa.
7th February.
Oh. That is one. Okay. Who's bigger romantic? Kushi or Junaid?
Me.
Me.
Okay, we will see that on screen. Okay. What's your go-to comfort movie?
Mm.
Om Shanti Om.
Hmm?
Comfort movie. DDLJ. DDLJ.
Oh, that's nice.
Hmm.
Do you remember your first movie that you watched on theatre?
See, I believe I saw Ishq, but I believe I started crying in the middle, so then I had to be taken out.
Ah.
But I don't remember this. This has been told to me.
I don't remember honestly.
No problem. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Movie देखने जाते हैं थिएटर में
हाँ.
and ऐसा होता है ना, we have the cravings for some amazing snacks.
हाँ.
So basically, Cinepolis have introduced some amazing new delicious snacks. Crispy honey chili potatoes and creamy Szechuan popcorn fries.
Wow.
So it sounds tempting, but what's your usual pick? Something spicy or something
Popcorn.
One large bucket of cheese popcorn, and then I'll make any one friend get a really small caramel popcorn, so I can have one caramel, but I'll have my big cheese का bucket, और फिर एक diet coke उसके साथ.
Cheesy? Oh, that's
नहीं, मेरा ओल्ड स्कूल सॉल्टेड पॉपकॉर्न ये आपने ऑलरेडी मेरे सामने रख दिया है.
नहीं, cheese is
नहीं,
the
नहीं.
way to go.
नहीं नहीं. पॉपकॉर्न एक ही होता है भाई.
That's nice. That's nice. I think I also share the same interest with Kushi. मैं भी caramel popcorn
No,
वाला
no.
हूँ.
नहीं salted.
Okay. Speaking about movies, do you remember the last movie that you watched in theaters?
I don't remember. Singham?
Singham.
हाँ.
अभी जो आया
हाँ,
Singham.
हाँ, हाँ.
Okay. Singham again. Right?
हाँ, Singham again.
You Junaid?
I went over there to Rocky Rani.
Oh.
You've not
okay.
seen anything in theatre after Rocky Rani?
After I've seen it only in previews. I haven't
Oh,
gone to like
okay.
a
Proper.
Theatre.
theatre, bought a ticket, see the Rocky Rani was the last. It's been a busy year. It's been a while. Rocky Rani like a year,
It's been a while.
Yeah, I think it's been more than a year. now.
Yeah.
a little over a year. Huh?
I think you'll be going to watch Love Yapa. Watch the first show. All right. Moving on. The next question is Pune. As you have all seen Pune, and we all know that Pune has its own charm. So if somebody is visiting Pune for the first time, what, according to you, would be the top 3 things that they should prioritize doing?
मैं एक्चुअली यहाँ सिर्फ शूट के लिए आई हूँ, तो आई हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू सी पुणे. लास्ट टाइम मैं यहाँ फ्लेम यूनिवर्सिटी में शूट कर रही थी, तो ज्यादा टाइम ही नहीं मिला कुछ करने के लिए.
पुणे में ऐसा आपने क्या क्या किया है?
मिसल पाव.
आइकॉनिक.
अच्छा, वो
मैं
मिसल
आपको
पाव. हाँ.
मेरे लिए मिसल पाव.
मुंबई में अच्छा मिसल पाव नहीं मिलता. मतलब मैंने तो नहीं खाया, सॉरी, पता नहीं मिलता होगा.
मैंने नहीं खाया, बट पुणे में आके मिसल पाव.
मिसल पाव एक चीज है.
हाँ.
और कुछ आपको याद आ रहा हो पुणे में मेमोरेबल? किसी दोस्त से बात करते समय किसी ने बोला हो कि यार ये ट्राई करना, कुछ ट्राई किया हो वगैरह?
यहाँ म्यूजिक सीन काफी अच्छा है. So if you can catch a gig from a local band.
Oh,
मैं एक्चुअली बाहर नहीं जाती हूँ, तो
okay, that's nice. Now, growing up, we all know that we were obsessed with some or the other TV show क्योंकि घर पे TV होता है वही देखते. So what was that one TV show that you were obsessed with?
बचपन में हम लोग कार्टून बहुत देखते थे.
मैं तकेशी's castle देखती थी.
Takeshi's Castle was
हाँ.
great fun. हाँ, Takeshi's Castle was
हाँ.
great fun. नहीं, टॉम एंड जेरी था, टॉप कैट होता था एक.
That was fun.
Scooby-Doo.
नहीं, मैं घर पे वो ऑब्स्टिकल
Scooby-Doo
कोर्स
होते.
बनाती थी अपने दोस्तों के साथ, और एक सोफे के ऊपर से दूसरे सोफे के ऊपर ऐसे कूदते थे.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
तो सुबह स्कूल जाते समय एक कार्टून आता था टीवी पे जो हर रोज हम बिना चाहे चला देते थे. It was great fun those days. On the sets of Love Yapa, what was one thing that kept you excited every day?
very young crew,
Mhm.
first time DOP, first time production designer. So there were lots of enthusiasm on set.
And Advait's energy was very infectious. He was very just on it all the time. And I think all of us are very excited in general to be making this film.
Yeah.
साथ में. So I think excitement तो था ही हमेशा.
That's great. Okay, if you could describe Lavyapa in just 3 words, okay, what would those words be?
Only 3
Love or
words.
Siapa. फिर third is Lavyapa has to be love or Siapa.
Dramedy.
Chaliye, moving on. You have both been a part of intense shooting schedule, right? What's your ultimate cheat meal after a long day, and what would you pick? Would you pick something like classic popcorn, or experiment something with a veg spring roll or dosa roll from Cinepolis?
I think popcorn is my favorite thing in the world.
Yeah, popcorn.
Junaid has already let us know. What was
मैं तो आधा खा लिया मैंने यहाँ बैठे-बैठे.
Okay, what's your
I think show के लिए I don't think I'm
ultimate
supposed to eat this.
Ideal cheat meal. मुझे burgers बहुत पसंद है. तो burgers, fries और tenders आते हैं, chicken tenders. पर burgers in general I love.
Junaid, for you?
Ideal cheat meal.
और मुझे मीठा बहुत पसंद है.
Sweet.
हाँ.
दादी की बिरयानी. मैंने काफी टाइम से डाइट नहीं किया है तो सब मील्स चीटी है.
Okay, coming back to Lavyapa, क्या लगता है? What impact do you hope the film is going to leave on the audience?
I mean, I think as actors, you hope that your film is watched by everyone. And I think this film that we've made is a very fun, current film. You know, it has a lot of fun and games in it, but also I think बहुत अच्छी social messaging भी है एक film में. तो I think I'm not keeping an expectation for numbers and things like that, although it's theatrical. I think my hope for this movie is just that it reaches its audience and it finds its space and that it gets its due in some way or the other.
I think a film, you know, with love, oftentimes जो बाधाएं हैं प्यार में वो हम खुद डालते हैं. I think our film talks about that. There's no big bad villain. So yeah, I think it's a sweet film that most people will relate to. I mean, love as an emotion is very
Universal.
primal. Yeah, it's very universal. Yeah, across generations, across time periods, across culture, across language, the emotion is the same for everyone. I just hope our film also connects with everyone.
After questions,
understands the film.
I have my next question. As we all know that the film is based all about love and serendipity, right? Do you all believe in love at first sight?
Not love at first sight. I think it kind of evolves.
I feel like there's always a spark at first sight,
Yeah.
but I think it evolves
I
into
think
love
it
eventually.
does evolve. Yeah. Perhaps I'll go with that also. Spark at first sight.
And finally, what will you be munching on while watching Lavyapa on February 7th at Cinepolis? Popcorn or nachos?
Mine.
cheese
Mine. I'm munching on right now.
If I get some, I'll eat some popcorn. Cheese.
You want cheese popcorn?
There's caramel popcorn, by the way.
But मतलब बिना cheese caramel में मजा नहीं आता है. You need to mix it little bit, you know.
Crew, can we have some popcorn, please? That was nice. That was fun conversation. Okay, but let's talk about film now. Film की बात छिड़ी गई आ गई तो question. So let's talk about this. This movie is directed by Advait Chandan, and as you said, his energy was infectious. Lavyapa promises to be an emotional rollercoaster ride, is what I feel. But tell us a little bit about your character and the journey that they go through.
Yeah, I think मेरे लिए जो फिल्म का हुक था of the phone exchange, that's what really got me in the film. I think that's the crux of the film that kind of like drives the whole thing. Yeah, characters are both very different from what our
we
real
are.
personalities are. They're extroverts. They are loud people.
Very outgoing.
Outgoing
Yeah.
people. So that was fun. You know, I think I got an opportunity to live vicariously through my character.
Wow, that's great. Khushi?
Yeah, I think it's the same for me. I think when I had heard the script, I was very excited to be able to play someone like Bani because she's so far from what I'm actually like. And I think just finding her and I think finding her and finding her voice made me, in fact, find my voice a little bit in real life, which was nice. Because I feel like otherwise I've been very shy and reserved. But I think after doing this film and being so fully out there and bindas and having this very fiery energy, I feel like somewhere it's kind of balanced me out a little bit, I would say. So yeah, that's always fun to be able to find something new about yourself when you're playing another character.
That's really great. So both of you are introverts?
Yeah.
Can
I
you
would
not
say so.
tell?
Okay. Also, we have seen the trailer. The trailer has some amazing, breathtaking visuals, and the music is amazing. Also, what do you think was the favorite scene to shoot from the movie and why? So I want individual answers on this.
I think the interval scene.
That was fun.
Yeah.
With Ashutosh sir, we had a scene.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's not there in the trailer.
So we can't say much about it.
Okay.
Although that scene with my friend was also great fun on the terrace.
Yeah.
Were you on there?
I wasn't there. But I liked the scenes where Bani and Gucci are fighting the most.
Okay.
ये बहुत चिल्लाना पड़ा था मुझे तो मजा आया.
But we were both not there for each other.
I was alone.
Because they were all on the phone. So we were all.
I was just in my room alone screaming on the phone with Advait giving me direction.
Oh, that's nice. कोई रियल लाइफ रिजेम्बलेंस है इन चीजों की?
नहीं इससे तो इतना मजा आया क्योंकि रियल लाइफ में मैं तो इतना बोलती नहीं हूँ तो फिल्म में मैं पूरा चिल्लाने लगी.
That's nice. वो आजकल ऐसा हो गया ना, so theaters, have a different magic, and I think we'll all agree to this. But OTT can't quite match that, right? For you, what's the best part about watching a film on a big screen?
I think it's a community experience. We go with friends, we go with family, we go with loved ones. And we're watching something with an auditorium full of people. And there's the energy of everyone there.
So experiencing the same thing together.
Yeah.
Correct.
I feel like laughs are always louder, cries are always harder because you're all going through the same range of emotions together. So I feel like the impact of the film is more because you end up feeling more because you go off of what everyone else is feeling as well.
True that. And it's also a one-day vacation for a middle-class family coming in, watching the movie.
It's a vacation for everyone, I think. I always look forward to going to the theatre and watching a movie. Sometimes, even if there's no movie I want to watch, I'm like, chalo mujhe popcorn khana hai, jate hain movie dekhne ke liye.
Kya baat hai. That's really great. Also, speaking about the theatre experience, as we all know, Cinepolis is known for its plush recliner seats, immersive sound, and of course, a fantastic food menu. So, have you ever had one of those cinema food cravings where you just had to go something, where you have to get something, eat something in the middle of the movie?
Popcorn.
In the middle of the movie?
Yeah. Ice cream and popcorn for me. Whenever I go for a movie, मुझे हमेशा मेरा popcorn चाहिए, ice cream चाहिए, and my Diet Coke.
No, popcorn before movie, not in the middle of movie.
But I end up finishing it, so then I have to go get a refill.
Well, that's why you got a big one.
Oh.
Jayadi, do you have a mid-movie craving, like anytime has it happened?
Mid-movie नहीं हुआ.
I start with popcorn, then I get ice cream later because मुंह मीठा करना है.
Acha, that's nice. Okay, so we all know that the excitement of for Lavyapa is real. And with just a few days before the release, what message do you have for your fans?
Please watch our film on the 7th of Feb. We're really excited. Yeah.
Yes.
Anything from you, Khushi?
No, I also want people to watch our film.
They'll definitely watch it, but we want to give them a message or what we say, a suspense that unlocks when they go and watch the movie. Anything of that sort?
I think they'll need to watch it for that,
Yeah.
no? And then they'll find out.
Please watch our film with your family, your loved ones, your partners, and do not try exchanging your phones at home.
All right, thank you. That was an amazing chat. But before we wrap up, let's not forget Lavyapa is best experienced on big screen with great company and yes, lip-smacking snacks. So grab your tickets, pick your favorite Cinepolis snack, and get ready to experience love like never before. Khushi and Junaid, thank you so much for joining us, and to everyone listening, we'll see you all at Cinepolis for Lavyapa.